Let's look at a BMW BDC2 today. This one, it has been damaged quite a lot. So today we're going to swap the CPU to another one. So the CPU we need to remove is this one over here. And this is the one with the immobilizer information, with the IMMO information. So now we pick up the hot air gun and hit it until it can be removed. We've taken off the original CPU now, let's clean it up. Using a stencil, we set the BDC2 bolts on the right position. Then we remove the ones which are extra. Now it's time to solder these to the CPU. CPU is ready. Now we prepare a new BDC2 with the same hardware. Remove the CPU and move our CPU to this one. Then solder it. Okay, done. Now we test it on our platform and proceed to program the BDC2.